Italy is a country in southern Europe that has a long and rich history. It is bordered by France, Switzerland, Austria and Slovenia in the north, and by the Mediterranean Sea in the south and east. Italy has a population of about 61.8 million people, according to the official census of 2016. It has a total area of 301,340 square kilometers. Italy's geography is diverse and scenic, with mountains, plains, islands and coasts. Italy's main geographical features are the Alps, the Apennines, the Po Valley, Sicily and Sardinia. Italy also has many smaller islands, such as the Pelagi Islands, which are closer to Africa than to Europe. The official currency of Italy is the euro, which is divided into 100 cents. Italy was the birthplace and center of the ancient Roman civilization. Rome was founded as a kingdom in 753 BC and became a republic in 509 BC. The Roman Republic then unified Italy, forming a confederation of the Italic peoples, and rose to dominate Western Europe, Northern Africa, and the Near East. After the assassination of Julius Caesar, the Roman Empire dominated Western Europe and the Mediterranean for centuries, contributing to the development of Western culture, philosophy, science and art. With the fall of Rome in AD 476, Italy was fragmented into numerous city-states and regional polities, a situation that would remain until the complete unification of the country in 1871. The maritime republics, in particular Venice and Genoa, rose to prosperity. Central Italy remained under the Papal States, while southern Italy remained largely feudal due to a succession of Byzantine, Arab, Norman, Spanish, and Bourbon crowns. The Italian Renaissance spread to the rest of Europe, bringing a renewed interest in humanism, science, exploration, and art with the start of the modern era. By the mid-19th century, Italian unification, led by the House of Savoy, led to the establishment of an Italian nation-state. The new Kingdom of Italy quickly modernized and built a colonial empire, controlling parts of Africa and countries along the Mediterranean. At the same time, southern Italy remained rural and poor, originating the Italian diaspora. In World War I, Italy completed the unification by acquiring Trento and Trieste, and gained a permanent seat in the League of Nations' Executive Council. Italian nationalists considered World War I a mutilated victory because Italy did not have all the territories promised by the Treaty of London, 1915. And that sentiment led to the rise of the fascist dictatorship of Benito Mussolini in 1922. During World War II, Italy was part of the Axis powers until the Italian surrender to Allied powers and its occupation by Nazi Germany with fascist collaborators, and then a co-belligerent of the Allies during the Italian resistance and liberation of Italy. Following the end of the German occupation and the killing of Benito Mussolini, the 1946 Italian constitutional referendum abolished the monarchy and became a republic, reinstated democracy, enjoyed an economic boom, and co-founded the European Union, NATO, and the Group of Six. Italy is a country with a rich and diverse culture that has been shaped by centuries of history, art, and traditions. Italy is known for its cuisine, which varies from region to region and reflects the local ingredients, climate, and influences. Some of the most famous dishes include pizza, pasta, risotto, lasagna, and gelato. Italy is also renowned for its contributions to the fields of architecture, sculpture, painting, literature, music, and philosophy. Italy was the center of the Roman Empire and the Catholic Church, as well as the birthplace of movements such as the Renaissance and the Baroque. Italy has many cultural symbols, such as the Colosseum, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, the Sistine Chapel, and the Trevi Fountain. Italy's culture is also influenced by its geography, with a long coastline, mountainous regions, and islands such as Sicily and Sardinia. Italy's culture is characterized by a strong sense of family, community, and hospitality.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel for more videos.